Introducing Motor City Disposal, your local experts in dumpster rental. We understand that managing waste during home projects or renovations can be a challenge. At Motor City Disposal, we offer top-notch service right in your community. Our local dumpster rental in Fraser, Michigan, is designed to make your cleanup easy and hassle-free. We know how important it is to have convenient and reliable waste management, especially for residents of Fraser. That's why we provide dedicated and trustworthy dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. Whether you're working on a home renovation, garage cleanup, or construction project, Motor City Disposal is your ideal partner for waste removal. Our range of dumpster sizes can fit any project, big or small. All you need to do is call us at 586-842-2750 or visit our website at www.motorcitydisposal.com. Dumpster Rental Fraser MI to explore our options and book your dumpster today. Join your neighbors who have already experienced the Motor City Disposal difference. We are fast, reliable, and right here in Fraser, Michigan, a name you can trust for all your local dumpster rental needs. Let's work together to keep Fraser clean and clutter-free. Call Motor City Disposal now.